We are a professional cleaning company that specializes in the cleaning of air ducts, carpet, upholstery, tile and grout, dryer vents, and oriental area rugs. Our main goal is to ensure your commercial building or home has healthy indoor air quality that is breathable for all occupants. When you think about the air you breathe, most people only think about the pollution, allergens, and contaminants when they're outside. But what about when you're inside? Whether you're at your desk or sitting on your couch, stop and think for a minute. Where is your air coming from? The air ducts and carpet hold the most contaminants, and we hardly even pay any attention. To improve your indoor air quality, you must routinely clean your carpets and air ducts. This is especially true for more sensitive people who suffer from allergies, asthma, children, or the elderly. If you would like to know more, please contact us. We are here to help.